Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Corbi. For today's video, I will show to you how to create actual wiring diagram of two bulbs connected in series and controlled by one single pole switch. And without further ado, let's get started. First, let's have our devices, the two bulbs, the single pole switch. As you can see here, this is the back portion of a single pole switch. Circuit breaker. Next, let's put a junction box, a pair of junction box where the connection of wires are being done. And now let's proceed to the actual wiring connection, which is the actual wiring diagram. So from CB, line 1 source connected to the line 1 load of bulb number 1. Again, the two bulbs are in series connection. So the line 2 load of bulb number 1 is connected to the line 1 load of bulb number 2. Next, the line 2 load of bulb number 2 is connected to the input terminal of the switch. Take note, the single pole switch has only two terminals, the input and the output terminal. Let's continue. The output terminal of single pole switch is connected to the line 2 source. And for the last part, the wires coming out from the junction box, let's put a line here to represent that the two wires are connected and covered with an electrical tape. And that is the actual wiring diagram of two bulbs connected in series, controlled by one single pole switch. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and God bless everyone.